One, two, three, let's go!
Hey guys, it's Fel. So, for today's video is what we wore kami or OOTD for the day during this trip. So, yan, kita nyo naman, blue dress, jean type na polo, and yun lang naman suot ko dyan. Tapos, uy, joke lang. Tapos, like, white sandals, yun. So, here's your Renoa, guys. Actually, wala akong mahanap na, like, OOTD niya nung papunta. Kasi, literal na nag-swimming na siya kasi hindi na talaga niya matigilan. So guys, ito yung kay Robly. Ito yung, ang damit niya parang polo type na damit na terno. Ganyan din yung kulay ng short niya. And then, meron lang siya accessories like, like watch, like, ano yun? Bracelet, then salamin yun. Then nakachinelas lang din siya here. And then, nandito din si Daniel here. Yan, ang sinuot niya is brown. Parang katulad lang din yung kay Robly. And then, short na yellow. And then, yung kanya pearl necklace. Yes. And then, yun din, may glasses din siya. So, ito si Disc, guys. Yan, kita nyo naman talagang outing na outing ang vibe. Yan, naka-white sandal siya. And then, naka-necklace. And then, yung kanyang mga accessories na, tawag doon, na bracelet. Yan, kita nyo naman. Tapos, yung kanyang gray or blue na polo. And then, white na shirt lang. Short lang din. So guys, ito yung kay Keisha at kay Elle. Yung kay Keisha is parang malahaba siyang dress na pink with little like ganun, little design. Then necklace niya, yun lang, then makeup, then sandals lang din. Habang yung kay Elle naman is parang naka-peplum top siya, V-neck peplum top, then naka-mini skirt siya, pencil skirt. Then yun lang din, sandals siya na white ata yun. And then necklace and earrings niya, syempre di mo walang earrings ni Elle. So yun. Siya ano yan? What we wore?
What we wore? Ano ba to? One piece? Wait lang.
One
Piece. I cannot reveal it. Nasa ka-shirts ako. Kasi I'm not a revealing person. Revealing person! Tapos bukas mag-ano ako. Rash guard, yun. Kasi malamig na bukas. Malamig!
Yumi, what we wore?
Mama,
Dali na!
ano ba what we wore?
Yan, suot!
One piece rash guard na night short na binili kay Ate Fran. Hinirap ko lang.
Yan.
Piece to siya, one piece na rash guard. Rash guard and out. That's all.
What we wore? What we wore? Yang suot mo?
Ako lang na. Kaya? Ayun, ito. May shirt ako. Meron pa akong damit hindi ko nagamit. Bukas na.
Oh, ayan, okay na yan. Ayan.
Ano tawag dito?
Rush guard?
Hindi siya rush.
Rush guard pa din.
Edi, ayan, I wear rush guard. Tapos, short. At bigay ni Nina. Sa birthday ko. Noong birthday ko.
Ayan.
Gano sa. What am I gonna do with that?
What we wore?
Here is what I wore. This is my towel from Decathlon. Yes. This is my hair tie from one of my best friends. This is a swim dress. I have a cycling prairie and underwear. It's raining now. So this is magkakabit siya, so it's like a one piece pero may in the back. It's from online. Diba? And a Band-Aid.
Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing myself, so ito yung galing din Decathlon. Scrunchy na Barbie. Tapos ito ay two-piece galing online na nabili ko. Cute niya. Tapos chinelas galing din online. Then my face that I'm born with.
Dami alam.
Sabihin ko.
OOTD.
OTD.
What we wore pala.
Dress. And flower shorts. And sleepers. Yes. Hey guys, it's Sa mga sasakupan ko.
Sindera.
Tapos na lang nasasakupan ko. Yun lang. Ano man?
Ah,
Ay, guys.
Nakasya sa akin.
Sombrero kay ate. Kay Yumi. Kay Yumi. Sa akin. Pero akin kay ate dapat ito. Diba? 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 Tino.
Shirt with Hey, Shumachiko! And this necklace. It's with colored. Hala, baliktad, no? I think it's like, baliktad. But it's fine. And then, I have these sunglasses from yesterday. And then what else? I have this. I got it back. I have this.
Mama, sabay toothpaste.
And then what else? I'm wearing makeup.
lapit ka na, lapit. Hindi ka nakikita.
Hindi kasi ako makikinig dyan. Hello guys, so
Nawala na ng sigla.
today, mag-ano ko ng what I wore. Kasi wala ko ibang kasama. So, first things first, may shorts ako. Shorts, tapos nakawala ako ng pangilinan. Siyempre, nag-swimming kami kasi tapos ito din. Sino to?
Gucci.
Goofy dress, color blue. Yun lang. Wala naman ako siya nagsuot. Hindi naman kasi ako maarte katulad ng babae mo na.
Eunice! Eunice, parito ka daw. What we wore though? What we wore?
Bigay ni Ate Nicole sa pagkakon. Tapos, yung, ayan, itong dito. Ayun na ako.
Ah.
Nagpakilay ako.
So guys, yun na yun. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. This is the first and last summer outing this year. So bye-bye!
If a picture paints 1,000 words, if a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? The words will never show that you have come to know. If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't